All Star Real Estate presents Realtor Rehab with April Osborne.
In my latest Realtor Rehab project, I decided to bring my 1989 staircase into the 2020s. It had a lighter wood on it and it needed a modern update. So this was a simple, easy, affordable project that will modernize my staircase. And it's something easy that you can do too if you want to modernize just for your own personal preference, or if you're thinking about selling your house and you've got this 1980, 1990 wood hanging around, you can make a big transformation with just a small amount of effort. Like I said, it had the light wood on it, and so I grabbed a can of mini wax, black stain, and I went to work. Here's what I did. I used the 100 grit sanding block, and I gave everything a quick sand, just a rough sand to get it back to good, so to speak, so the stain would adhere. Then I cleaned it really well. I wiped everything down with Windex. I vacuumed up all of the sand pieces that had fallen and made sure that it was super clean when it came time to start sanding. Then I just took painter's tape and I wrapped it around everything that the stain might get on. Here's the thing, tape more than you think you're gonna need, because inevitably your brush is gonna slip or you're gonna hit something, and yes, it's fixable, but make sure you tape more than you think you're gonna need as far as area is concerned. But then I just went to town. I used a foam brush. It made it so much easier to stain doing it that way, and I just used, like I said, the black mini wax stain, wiped it on, took a lint-free rag and wiped it back off. Now, here's the thing. Make sure that you get all the excess off. If you don't, then it's just gonna lay on top and it's not gonna adhere to the wood, and then it's gonna be sticky when it's supposed to be dry and smooth. So make sure you get all the excess stain off after you've put it on there. Wipe it off really well, and you should be fine. Now, I'm gonna tell you this. Likely the stain is going to bleed through some of that tape. At least it did for me. And so I had to touch up some trim paint and some wall paint. But in doing so, I got a little bit of paint back on the stain. So I have a really nifty tip on a way to touch that up, so to speak, and make it look better. So for that, head over to the website. It's www.allstarrealestatesc.com and click on the blog section.